Hey everyone, it's an unusually rainy day in Florida, but it gives me an opportunity to get some work done here in the office. And I was just going through a bunch of exposure camp messages that I was getting from players and parents about our upcoming camps this summer. And it seems like more and more this year and last year, there's a confusion between players and parents about which type of event to go to, what is an exposure camp, what's a showcase, what's a combine. There's a lot of companies now out there and college coaches that are running what they call exposure camps, for example. And I want to talk about the differences. So exposure camps, the way that they're traditionally ran is with a group of college coaches on a college campus where players are getting the opportunity to train like a college tennis player, and you're getting to sample various coaching styles, and you're able to work with those coaches on court in college style training, just like they do with their teams, and play matches and have on-court coaching. The other thing that's really great about these exposure camps is that you get in-class seminars. So coaches are motivating you and educating you on the process of what it takes to be a player at the collegiate level, and also like what they're looking for and what they do with their teams. So whether you're an 8th, 9th, 10th grader, you're looking to get your feet wet, you want to get into college, get understanding better about what the college system is going to be like, network with coaches, perfect. If you're an 11th, 12th grader, then you're doing all of that, plus you're also getting the opportunity to get recruited. So there's a number of companies out there and individuals that are running various types of these exposure camps. UTR Showcases was one of the names I saw, Exposure Clinic Camp. I mean, it's an enormous amount of these opportunities coming, but they all don't offer everything that I just talked about. What I think you're looking for when you're going to exposure camp is a lot of coaches that are working with you on court, different levels of the game, different types of schools from various places. Now, when you're looking at a showcase and combine, you're looking to get 60 plus college coaches to come out so that you can get scouted right there while you play in competitive matches. And there will be some educational stuff in most of those showcases, but there will be more of like Q&A sessions where coaches speak or a couple presentations, and the focus is match play, getting the exposure and the opportunity to get recruited right away. And that's why those are designed for sophomores, juniors, and seniors. And another name for it is combine. But if you're looking to make a choice this summer, you want to, again, in exposure camps, find a location that's going to have a good number of coaches on a college campus where you can train with them, you can play matches, you can get to know them, you can get to know other players, and you can learn about the process and ultimately get recruited. If you're looking for a showcase, you want to go somewhere that yields a lot of college coaches and you're getting the opportunity to be in front of them and play in front of them. And so when I say 60 plus as well, I mean that those are some of the best events that have a lot of coaches. So you want to make sure that that is the mandate of the showcase. So if you guys have any questions, you have concerns about certain events, whether it's something that I run or whether it's something that other people run, I'd be happy to answer those questions and give you guys some insight regardless. All right, thanks.